Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 4, 2024. Today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so that you never miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 2, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a sell candidate with a score of -1.38. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. Microsoft stock experienced a loss of -0.79%. This means that on average, the stock has been losing -0.26% per day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 16.31% change expected over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 16.31% and 28.22%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a 47.71% change forecasted over the next 12 months. This suggests a potential return between 38.93% and 58.76%. In other words, the price range after a year could be between $511.19 and $584.13. In our latest update on Microsoft, we have an interesting headline to share: Red Day on Thursday for Microsoft stock after a loss of 0.718%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, January 4, 2024, the Microsoft stock price experienced a decline of -0.718%. It went down from $370.60 to $367.94. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.62%, reaching a low of $367.17 and a high of $373.10. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of -1.43%. It's worth noting that the decrease in volume aligns with the decline in stock price, which is generally considered a positive signal. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by -1 million shares. In total, approximately 21 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $7.61 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached was $384.30, while the lowest price was $219.35. Currently, the stock price is 4.26% below the 52-week high, which translates to a difference of $16.36. It's interesting to note that the 52-week high of $384.30 also serves as the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft a grade of overweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, December 5, 2023, Needham gave Microsoft a grade of hold with a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Microsoft a grade of overweight with a hold action. On Thursday, November 16, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft a grade of outperform with a hold action. Analysts have strongly recommended buying Microsoft stock. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as excellent buying opportunities. However, for return on investment, the analysts have a neutral stance. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Microsoft. In addition to that, we have a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there are also some negative signals that have been issued, which may have an impact on the near short-term development of the stock. The Microsoft stock currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, we can expect some resistance from the lines at $372.78 and $373.48. If the stock manages to break above any of these levels, it will issue buy signals. On Tuesday, November 28, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, the stock has fallen by -3.86%. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot has been found. During the last trading day, both the volume and price of the stock decreased. This reduction in volume aligns with the price movements and helps reduce the overall risk. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicates a buy signal. Another signal to look at is the pivots, which suggests a sell signal 26 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also gives a buy signal 14 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 4 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 2 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average reveals a sell signal 4 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average shows a buy signal 47 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 44 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals and insights. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft stock finds support from accumulated volume at $365.93. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. In general, Microsoft stock tends to have very controlled movements, making it a low-risk investment option. Additionally, the stock has good liquidity, further reducing the risk involved. Looking at the recent performance, the stock moved $5.93 between its highest and lowest point in the last day, representing a 1.62% change. Over the course of the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.4%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a crucial measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's P/E ratio falls within a relatively normal range, which is commonly observed in companies with established track records and predictable revenues. Moving on to recent updates, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is set to be released on January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.75. It's important to keep a close watch on these numbers as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for Microsoft. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $369.67. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $365.93. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The overall rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 26, 2023, Hogan Kathleen T. sold 120 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hoya Alice L. sold 264,433 shares of common stock. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 858 shares of restricted stock units. On December 14, 2023, Warrior Padmashri bought 277 shares of restricted stock units. On December 14, 2023, Thompson John Wendell bought 87,636 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is positive at 76.743. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 2,529,537 shares and sold 329,024 shares. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, our assessment is negative. It is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? While the Microsoft stock has shown some positive trends, there are also several negative signals that suggest it may perform weakly in the near future. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, January 5th, we anticipate Microsoft to open up at $1.46 and start trading at $369.40. Before we dive into today's topic, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Always consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view on the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading journey. Have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.